What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ Fire, and in today's video guys we do have another update on XLM, which has taken a slight dip in value over the last 24 hours. It is down 5% as predicted guys. In my previous updates on XLM I did expect it to go through a minimal price correction, which is currently going through right now. So we'll be going through what is next for XLM for the rest of November, December, and also going into 2025. What can we expect? Again, is it likely to pump up higher than where it is at the moment and getting closer to the dollar mark? Is it going to crash back down in value? So on and so on. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and hit that subscribe button and like the video, as I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway as soon as I hit 100,000 subscribers. And also, just a little disclaimer, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the RSI here, we do have the value of 83.86, which means the crypto at the moment is slightly overvalued and overbought. So again, it is currently going through a price correction. However, another price correction or more red candles are expected from XLM over the next 24 to 36 hours. It is expected to drop further down to around 47 to 48 cents in value. So again, right now its value is at 50 cents. So again, it's not going to be a major crash or a drop. It's going to be very minimal guys. And to prove that point, zooming in here into the candlestick pattern chart, we can see the Bollinger Band, and the crypto is still trading slightly above the red upper band level, meaning it needs to drop down a little bit further, down to around 45 to 47 cents to be within its actual price range. And anything above 49 cents is slightly overvalued, which is where it is at the moment. But again, I'm expecting it to hit more red candlesticks for it to correct itself and literally just go through a sustainable increase over the next couple of weeks, especially towards the end of the year. So at the top here, we've also got the DMA, which is the green value here in fact 0.4897. This gives us the average value that the chart is predicting XLM to be trading at according to the current valuation of the crypto market and how it's pumping and so on. And yes, it is pretty accurate. So at 48 cents, like I mentioned earlier on in the video, is approximately where I'm expecting it to drop down to. So yes, do expect a few more red candlesticks over the next couple of hours, but as long as we don't see a major drop or a major crash, we should be good to go, because Bitcoin is also hovering around $97,000. We haven't seen a huge pump from Bitcoin either. So towards the end of the week is when I'm expecting Bitcoin to be heading up to $100,000. So after the price correction, XLM should also be able to pump up to around 65 cents in value towards the end of this week and early next week, which means we will be in early December. Once Bitcoin manages to pump up to $100,000, we should see major increases in value in the crypto market. So what we'll do now is zoom in into the 4-hour chart to look at it in a little bit more detail, or even the hourly chart. So later on, as you guys can see here, this is the highest it has been so far over the last month or so, and the lowest point is, well, that was a couple of weeks ago, which is around here. So yes, it has been volatile, but we've seen a major pump earlier on last week. I did take a little step back down, pump back down again, going through a price correction, likely to drop down a little bit further later on in the week before it again potentially hits the breakout line for this month and potentially heads up, takes a little dip again and heads up over 65 cents, nearly hitting 70 cents by mid to late December is what I'm expecting at the moment. Again, all depends on how Bitcoin performs. It is looking quite strong. The market is stabilizing itself at the moment. After a price correction over the next day or two, we should see increases in value, and in December we should see a very strong market, and XLM should be able to head over 75 to 80 cents by the very end of the year, and getting closer to 85 to 87 cents by early January is where my expectations are at the moment. Again, it could be way higher, way lower, but I will keep you guys updated on a daily basis on the crypto market, what to expect and what to predict. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So at the bottom here, we've also got the MACD indicator, and as you guys can see, the blue line is still below the signal line here, which means the price correction is not over yet. So more red candles are expected over the next couple of hours, and next day or two is what I would keep it at the moment. So Heading into the CoinMarketCap website, trading volume has dropped by 37% to $7.14 billion. Reason is there hasn't been much movement for XLM, and over the week, as you guys can see, yes, it has pumped up over 112%. However, the trading volume is still quite high. It's still fluctuating around $10 billion, but right now has taken a slight dip due to the no much changes in the value of XLM, but I'm expecting it to pick up towards the end of the week. But yeah, this is my take on XLM for now, for the rest of the month mainly. Let me know if you guys have any questions or what your predictions are on XLM. Comment down below. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. Massive thank you to all of you guys. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next update. Until then, take care and peace.